When it comes to packing our child's diaper bag, we make sure we have all the essentials, like bottles, formula, baby wipes, plenty of backup pacifiers, diapers, butt paste, burp cloths, backup outfit, backup outfit, plan for the worst, hope for the best, snacks, because Mama Bear gotta eat. One of the last things we decide to pack are toys. This is where things get interesting. On one hand, you need enough toys to keep your child entertained or stimulated, and on the other hand, you only have so much room left in your diaper bag. Toys are essential because children need stimulation, and you or another caregiver might want to engage with the child using a toy. Lovey or stuffy? Lovey or stuffy? Lovey. I guess I'll take the stuffy too. Here's what you're left with: a large overstuffed bag, a not so ideal situation. Is there an easier way? Why, yes there is. Activity suits, fit for adventure crew characters. The Little Builder, perfect for pretend play and problem solving for development. The High Contrast to stimulate their vision and cognitive development. The 1, 2, 3 Look at Me, awesome for tummy time and tag play. The Night Night Activity Suit, another great suit for pretend play and to help build routine awareness. The Reach for the Stars, so you and your little one can work on their pincher grasp and reaching. Each star has rattles as well. And last but not least, Sweet Sounds, so your little one can crinkle the desserts and stimulate their hearing. Now that's more like it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. A familiar friend you can attach to anything. The Adventure Crew, here to grow with you.